Today, I will speak on the topic the difference between secularism and communalism. Communalism, in a broad sense, means a strong attachment to one's own community. In popular discourse in India, it is understood as unhealthy attachment to one's own religion. It's an ideology that, in order to unify the community, suppresses distinctions within the community and emphasizes the essential unity of the community against other communities. In this way, it promotes belief in orthodox tenets and principles, intolerance and hatred of other religion, and thus divides the society. Positive aspects of communalism stands for the affinity of an individual towards his own community, involving efforts for the social and economic upliftment of his community. However, in negative connotation, it is an ideology which emphasizes the separate identity of a religious group in relation to other groups, with a tendency to promote its own interest at the expense of the others. The term secular means being separate from religion or having no religious basis. A secular person is one who does not own his moral values to any religion. His values are the product of his rational and scientific thinking. Secularism means separation of religion from political, economic, social, and cultural aspects of life. Religion believes treated as a purely personal matter. It emphasized dissociation of the state from religion and full freedom to all religion and tolerance to all religions. It also stands for equal opportunities for followers of all religions and no discrimination and partially on grounds of religion. Thus, secularism in political terms is a movement towards the separation of religion and government, often termed the separation of the church and the state. Therefore, the difference between communalism and secularism is communalism and secularism are two different yet very important political ideologies. Both of them have their belief system and varying modes of application. Both of them are effective in the fundamental growth factor of a country. In India, communalism and secularism play a vital role in assuring peace in the society. Additionally, for the development of a nation as a whole, both of them play equally important roles. Communalism stands for prioritizing affiliations toward a person's separate ethnic groups instead of the entire society, while secularism is the principle starting that all the state affairs are distinct from religious issues and beliefs and vice versa. Based on ideology, communalism refers to a philosophical notion or belief. Secularism is a belief that any state and religion must never interfere in each other's affairs. Based on effect, communalism leads to tension, conflicts, and competition and ferocity among the various communities. Secularism, if correctly initiated, might bring stability and peace in the society. Based on expression, communalism demonstrates the expression of any community's superiority and other communities' intolerance. Secularism treats all the religions equally and expresses that none of the religions will seek any favor over any other one. Based on application, communalism is utilized as the powerful instrument that is available not for capturing state power but for operating in the social, political, and economic domains. Secularism applies mainly to societies that have people of different cultures and religion. It aims at making the state neutral for the residents of all the religions. Based on the place in society, society generally considered communalism as an unfavorable factor. Secularism lays down even in the Indian Constitution following 1970's 42 Amendment. Based on origin, Murray Bockins, a socialist author, coined the term communalism in the early 20th century, while George, a British writer, first coined the term secularism in 1851. He invented the term for describing his views of promotion of a social order separate from any religion. This was the difference between communalism and secularism, presented by me, Megha Chatterjee, roll number 200015, section A, from Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College, Delhi University. Thank you.